I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to check your transaction history on TD 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your TD account. Visit the TD website or open the TD app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab on the main menu to view your account overview. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account you want to check the transaction history for, such as your checking or savings account. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for the transaction history or history view option within the account details to see your past transactions. Step 5. Filter your transactions. Use the filtering options to narrow down your search by date type or amount to find specific transactions. Note, if you don't see the filter option, try scrolling down on the transaction history page. I hope this helps you easily find your transaction history. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.